Welcome back, junior designers. Today we will explore the fascinating world of colors and dive into the magic of harmony between warm and cool colors, taking inspiration from a masterpiece. Who's the author? Let's try to discover Little Tip. He's one of the most famous painters, sure you know him. We have two main families of colors, warm and cool. The art of balancing these hues is fundamental to creating extraordinary work. But it is not so easy to decide whether a color is warm or cool because usually the temperature of the color is measured by pretending another color, and still it is not an exact process. A color can appear cold or warm depending on where it is in the painting. However, there are some rules, and when in doubt, it is always helpful to use the color wheel. The main rule is that for us, colors in the orange, red, and yellow spectrum appear warm, while blues appear cold. For purples and greens, it is not so easy to tell because they lie between these two poles. It always depends on the exact hue, as we shall see. There are different shades in each individual color family, and although yellows are considered a warm color, there can be a cool yellow. If you take a look at the color wheel, you will find yellows that tend more toward green if you continue toward blue. These are considered cool yellows. Hues that tend toward orange and red are warm. Oranges are always warm, but when their chrome intensity is reduced, they appear more neutral, like burnt sienna and other earth tones. These colors can be placed more toward the center of the color wheel, toward the gray and black tones where the intensity decreases. Purples are considered neither cool nor warm overall, depending on the hue C. A bluish purple is cool, a reddish purple is warm. When in doubt, always check the color trend on the color wheel. Greens like purples are difficult to put into a general category. There are cool greens with blue in them and warm greens which tend toward yellow and orange. Vincent van Gogh, with his magic brush, gave us Starry Night. Let's explore the harmony of warm and cool colors in this painting. The warm tones of the village contrast beautifully with the cool blues of the night sky, creating a feeling of movement and magic. Van Gogh's nighttime show teaches us that balance between warm and cool colors is essential, just as the starry sky dances with the warmth of the village. Your designs can shine with this same harmony. Incorporate the inspiration of Starry Night into one of your designs. Play with warm and cool colors to create your own magic. Share the result with Color Magic Challenge on social media. We are excited to see what you will create. Thank you for joining us on this design adventure. Remember, be bold, be creative, be junior designers. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next adventures. See you soon.